Yesterday we learned about the map. What is a map and what are the uses of map. Today we are going to see the directions and districts of Andhra Pradesh and landforms of Andhra Pradesh. First we are going to see the directions. First we are going to see the directions. So actually there are four directions. They are east, west, north, south. So the direction, there are four directions. How many directions are there? Four directions are there. Four directions. Okay, they are first one east and then west, third one north and fourth one south. These directions you know very well. Okay, four directions are there: east, west, north, south. These you know very well. But what is a direction? I told you already. Two questions are important for learning anything. What? Why? First one, what? What is a direction? So now you know that four directions are there: east to west, north to south. Then what is a direction? Direction is always something direction is always relative to something. Okay, direction is always relative to something. It depends. It depends from where we are looking at it. Okay, so direction is always related to something, and from where it depends from where we are looking at it. So this is example I am going to say. So if you stand in front of the sun or opposite to the sun, then opposite to your side, front side, sun will be there. That is called east. Okay, if you stand opposite to the sun, your front side is east, back side is west, right side is south, left side is west. Is the north. Sorry, left side is north. So like that is four direction. If you go to see the map, so if you take, I brought the Andhra Pradesh map, you see the Andhra Pradesh map. So top always shows the north and bottom shows the south and right side east, left side west. If you take the India map also, that is directions are always changes. If you take the India map, so if you top India map you take also, India map top side is north, down side is or bottom side is south, right side is east and west, left side is west. But if you take the what is on the north side of Andhra Pradesh, north side Chhattisgarh, Odisha will be there. Is it or not? For if you take the India map, that is north side Himalayas are there. So like that, from where we are looking at it, it depends, the direction depends from where we are looking at it. So for example, if you wanted to come from your house, you come while you are coming, that means the direction is, for example, east. While you are going, become, so direction is always changes from where we are looking, from where we are starting. Okay, so that is direction. Okay, so why we come to know direction? If you know the directions, you go to the right place without any confusion. So what is a direction? Direction is always related to something, and it depends upon from where we are looking at it. Then why you want the direction? Directions are make us to reach the correct place correctly. Otherwise we cannot move properly. For example, if you want to, so Columbus wanted to find out India, but he reached the West Indies. He thought that first he is going right side only. We does not know the direction. He went west instead of coming to the right side, that is east side. So like that, this confusion will be removed if you know the directions. So the confusion won't be there if you know the direction. Directions are always required to reach the correct place, to go in a correct direction. If you go in a correct direction, you will be the correct place. So that's why we require the direction. So I told you about how many directions are there, what are they, and what is a direction, and why we require directions. Okay, these are all the things we learn in this. And then we come to the next point. I told you that I will tell the districts of Andhra Pradesh. First, how many districts are there in Andhra Pradesh, and what are the landforms are there. First, I am going to tell about the districts of Andhra Pradesh. Next. In Andhra Pradesh, how many districts are there? 13 districts are there. How many districts are there? 13 districts are there in Andhra Pradesh. What are they? What is I am going to say how many districts are there? 13 districts are there. They are, see, I am going to say here, Srikakulam, Vijayanagaram, Visakhapatnam, East Godavari, West Godavari, Krishna, Guntur, Prakasam, Nellore, Chittoor, Kadapa, Kurnool, Anantapur. These are all the districts. Again I am telling 13 districts are there in Andhra Pradesh. They are East Godavari. Sorry. They are Srikakulam, Vijayanagaram, Visakhapatnam. East Godavari, West Godavari, Krishna, Guntur, Prakasam, Nellore, Chittoor, Kadapa, Kurnool, Anantapur. These are the 13 districts. So in the 13 districts also, 9 are coastal districts. I am telling you again. So how many districts are there? 13 districts are there. First one, Srikakulam. Next one, Vijayanagaram. Third one, Visakha. Fourth one, East Godavari. Fifth one, West. Okay, these are first 5 I written. 13 districts are there. Srikakulam, Vijayanagaram, Visakhapatnam, East Godavari, West Godavari. 5 are over. Next, 6th one. Krishna, Guntur, big one, Prakasam, and one, Nellore, and 10th one, Chittoor, Kurnool, Kadapa, Anantapur. 31. So previously I written 7 districts, 6 districts, and then remaining I written. So again I am telling. So there are 30 districts. They are Srikakulam, Vijayanagaram, Visakhapatnam, East Godavari, West Godavari, Krishna, Guntur, Prakasam, Nellore. Chittoor, Kadapa, Kurnool, Anantapur. These are the 30 districts. These are also divided into two parts again. There are coastal districts and plateau districts, that is Rayalaseema districts. So now we are going to learn about the coastal districts. What are meant by coastal districts? Coastal districts are the districts which are located along the sea coast. Sea coast. Okay? Sea coast. Sea coast, how many districts are there? 9 districts are there on the sea coast. First one is, okay, 9 districts are there. Among them, first one is Srikakulam, Vijayanagaram, Visakhapatnam, East Godavari, West Godavari, Krishna, Guntur, Prakasam, Nellore. These 9 districts are called as coastal districts. And remaining 4 districts are Rayalaseema districts. In Rayalaseema, how many are there? 4 districts are there. What are they? Chittoor, Kadapa, Kurnool, Anantapur. These are the plateau or the rocky areas. What is the difference between coastal Andhra and the Kadapa with the Rayalaseema? These are having the plains. These are having the rocky areas. So that is the difference between them. It is near to the sea coast. They are far away from the sea coast. So 13 districts are there. Again I am repeating. In Andhra Pradesh, total 13 districts are there. They are Srikakulam, Vijayanagaram, Visakhapatnam, East Godavari, West Godavari, Krishna, Guntur, Prakasam, Nellore. And Chittoor, Kadapa, Kurnool, Anantapur. 13 districts are there. Among these are also divided into two categories. One is coastal districts, another is plateau or the rocky areas or the Rayalaseema districts. So coastal districts are 9 districts are there. They are again Srikakulam, Vijayanagaram, Visakhapatnam, East Godavari, West Godavari, Krishna, Guntur, Prakasam, Nellore. And Rayalaseema districts are 4. In Rayalaseema, 4 districts are there. They are Chittoor, Kadapa, Kurnool, Anantapur. Okay, what is the difference between these coastal districts are having the coastal side areas or the sea coast areas. These are having the fertile plains and crops are grown very well. And Rayalaseema districts are having the rocky areas and the water will not be available much, and also they are difficult to grow the all types of crops. So that is the difference between the coastal Andhra and the Rayalaseema region. That's why we are divided. Okay, then now I am going to tell about the what we call different landforms. Different landforms. What are the different landforms are there in Andhra Pradesh? What are the different landforms are there? If you observe any place where it is not equal, same place. They are having the different kinds of soils, different kinds of landforms, different kinds of water and all these things. Here we are thinking about the landforms. What are the landforms actually? There are 3 types of landforms are there. I already told you, that is mountains, plateaus, plains. So again I am telling mountains are hills, plateaus and plains. So what is the difference between these? The hills are the mountains are the highest landforms with steep edges. Okay? Mountains or hills are the highest landforms which are having a steep slopes. Steep means very slanting. If you put the leg, you fall down. Okay, like that. And another one, this is called mountain or hills. Okay, I am telling about the different landforms. These are okay, different landforms. First one, what is that? Mountains or hills. What are mountains? The landforms are high and edges are steep. The edges are steep. Second one is plateaus. The height is above the 300 meters. Height is above. The height is above the 300 meters. And top flat surface will be there. Side steeps are there. But these are also called as tablelands. These are also called as tablelands. These are otherwise called as tablelands. So plateaus are the landforms which are above the 300 meters above and which are above the 300 meters, or these are also called as tablelands. These are also called as tablelands. And last one is plains. Plains. The plains are the places which are having the flat surface, smooth surface. There is no steep edges, there is no rocks, and there are no any problems in these landforms. And it will be a comfortable for all the people to live. So, if you observe the Andhra Pradesh is also having the different landforms. Okay, in the world, these three types of landforms are there. If you take any part of the world, the three types of landforms will be there. Mountains or hills, plateaus and plains. If you come to the Andhra Pradesh, in Andhra Pradesh also, there are different types of landforms. Okay, what are the different type of landforms? Plains, plateau. First one you see, this is the plain region. Next, Eastern Ghats. Next, plateau. The three landforms are there in Andhra Pradesh. I am again telling, Andhra Pradesh is also having the different types of landforms. Okay, what are the different type of landforms? Plains, Eastern Ghats and plateau region. Okay, what we are going to see clearly in the map. And different landforms of Andhra Pradesh. Different landforms of Andhra Pradesh. If you observe, here you can observe. So, after the here Bay of Bengal is there, east of Andhra Pradesh. East of Andhra Pradesh, what is there? Bay of Bengal is there. Here after this Bay of Bengal, if you come to the left direction, that is called west direction. So, if you come towards the Bay of Bengal, to the left direction, that is west direction, you can observe the green area. The green area what we resembles plains. In the map, the green color shaded area is called as plain. So, here what we can call it as a eastern coastal plain. And the different landforms of Andhra Pradesh is, first one is eastern eastern coastal plain. Why? Because it is called as eastern coastal plain. It is located to the east of the India, to the east side of the India. That's why it is called as eastern coastal plain. What is the importance of this plain? This plain is very fertile. Why? Because the Godavari river, Krishna river, Penna river, the three rivers are flowing. Okay, made this land as fertile land. Because of the rivers only, this land is becoming fertile and water is available and crops are grown very well in this region. Again I am telling, the Bay of Bengal is there. From Bay of Bengal you move towards the west direction, that is left direction. The first one is Eastern Coastal Plain. Why it is called as Eastern Coastal Plain? Because it is located to the east of India. That's why it is called as Eastern Coastal Plain. Next, if you come towards the west, then we can find Eastern Ghats. Eastern Ghats. Eastern Ghats are nothing but the hilly areas of Andhra Pradesh. Eastern Ghats. Eastern Ghats are located to the east side of India, but these are located to the west side of Eastern Coastal Plain. But it is west side of India, that's why it is called as Eastern Ghats. It is west to the Eastern Coastal Plain, but east to the India, that's why these are called as Eastern Coastal Plain. And still you are moving. What is the importance of this Eastern Ghats? Eastern Ghats are rivers are flowing through the middle of these Ghats. Those are Krishna, Godavari, Penna rivers, and made the cuts between of these hills, which can move from one place to another place, from the Rayalaseema region towards the Eastern Coastal Plain, and from Eastern Coastal Plain to the other areas we can move, because these Ghats are make us to possible very easy to move. And these are having the broad coastal plains, and in between the lowest places are there, and these lowest places between the Eastern Ghats are called as valleys or Ghats, which are very beautiful to look at. And one of the example is Araku Valley or Araku Loya and otherwise Valley of Araku or Araku Valley in Visakhapatnam. Okay, ma? Next we come to the west of the Eastern Ghats. Then we can see the plateau region, which shows with the help of the yellow color. Okay, all the four districts, that is Kadapa, Kannur, Anantapur, Chittoor are there in this plateau region. So the plateau region is covered with rocks. There is no lack of rains. These are not suitable for the crops, but they are growing with the available water. Some of the crops which are grown in that area. So like that, today we are learning that three things. One is directions, another is districts of Andhra Pradesh, another one is different landforms of Andhra Pradesh. So you can make this. Okay, you take the homework. What is the homework we take? 3 questions I am going to give. I am going to give 2 questions otherwise. One is, how many districts are there? How many in Pradesh? Write the different land forms of these are the 2 questions. You complete. Again I am going to ask you these questions. Come on. Thank you. Have a nice day.